Today I'm going to be unboxing my Singer 4432 heavy duty sewing machine. This is my first time working with the brand. I'm usually working with the Brother sewing machine, so I'm excited to try this one out and see what it's about. I really hope I like it. I like to work with leather and denim material, so I wanted to get a heavy duty machine, and my last machine just couldn't keep up anymore. It was doing the best it can, but I don't think it was really made for really thick material. I've been seeing this machine for a while now, and I finally decided to check it out. I usually see it in the color gray, but was excited to see that they had black as well. This sewing machine included a foot pedal, all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, seam ripper, lint brush, edge guide, needles, bobbins, a screwdriver, an auxiliary spool pin, a spool pin felt, a dust cover protector, and instructions on how to install the thread. Now the storage part is a little different from what I'm used to. The whole thing pulls out, and I wasn't expecting that, but I do know it allows you to add a table to it, so that's why you're able to take the whole thing off like that. But you could still use the storage without having to take the bottom piece off. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.